Hi everyone, Anke here with another guest design project for Wow Embossing. I'm going to create a Christmas card and here you can see the supplies I use. The Snowflake stencil, the embossing ink pad, embossing powders and glitter, an embossing pen and some die cuts. First I create a background for my card. Therefore I place the Snowflake stencil on a piece of cardstock and apply the modeling paste. Then I pour crystal sparkles over the paste and let it dry. While the paste is drying, I heat emboss the die cuts. I start with the embroidery frame that I use to create a little Christmas scene. I emboss the inner part using iced teal embossing glitter. For embossing the frame, I use metallic gold rich superfine embossing powder. For the trees, I use Bella's Forest from the Alexandra Renke collection. This powder has a bit of white mixed with the green powder, so it looks like snow on the trees. I add a second layer, which gives the trees a glossy finish. For embossing the deer, I use Ulla's Cognac, also from the Alexandra Renke collection. It's a light brown mixed with gold. Then I emboss the little cottage with Twiggy, a dark brown powder. I use an embossing pen here because I want to emboss the door of the cottage with Diana's Love, a dark red. Now I emboss the roof of the cottage using white puff embossing powder. With its special texture, this powder really looks like snow. I also add some snow to my embroidery frame. The next die cuts, a moon and the smoke which comes out of the cottage chimney, are cut from adhesive tape, and I take off the protective sheet and apply Crystal Sparkles glitter. Then I put the embroidery frame together. I back my snowflake background with a piece of light blue paper, and then I stamp a sentiment from the Season Sentiment stamp set on my card base and add the snowflake background. Finally, I add the embossed die cuts to the embroidery frame and glue it on my card, together with some pine cones and branches that were left from another card. finished card. It's my last project as guest designer for Wow Embossing. I really enjoyed creating with their gorgeous products, and I hope I could inspire you with my project. Thanks so much for joining me.